Okay, good day everyone. Oh, Mr. Kida Adman is really fast. We just started our live 8 seconds ago, but he already here. Okay, so we'll wait for the others to join our TikTok live. Okay. So you can comment your names or any names that you wanted us to shout out. Oh, I'm familiar with Mr. Makarayan. Hello, Mr. Makarayan. Welcome to our TikTok live. Oh, Mr. Kinaanman. Shout out. Oh, you don't know? Okay, shout out to Grace Sabalya. Grabe kagwapa. Ay, yes, correct. I know. Grace Sabalya is very, very beautiful. Okay, over ano na yon? Oh, Mr. Alibangbang, shout out to everyone. Okay, shout out to everyone, Mr. Alibangbang. Shout out to you and your family and your friends and your loved ones. Go. Okay, so we will start our live selling, or we will showcase our product that we are going to sell for today's video if our likes or the heart button will reach 200K, okay? And our viewers will reach, let me think about it, 300 plus. So we will start our live selling. Mr. Cadelinia said, what do you mean by start our live selling when you are already live? I mean, Mr. Cadelinia, we're going to start our live selling. I emphasize the word selling because I am not yet selling right now. Yes, I am live, but I am not yet selling anything or any product. So later on, I know that you are eager to buy our new product that I'm going to showcase later. So now, very, very fun. So I'm very excited because we already reached 200 likes and 300 plus viewers. You are so very fast, everyone. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, Mr. Alibangbang is ready. Oh yes, okay, so let's start our TikTok live selling and our promos that we are going to showcase later. Okay, so hello everyone, hello our solid viewers and buyers. So welcome to our live. By the way, I am Gracie Sabalien and I am your host for today. So I hope that you are all having an amazing day, whether it's sunny, rainy, or doing both at the same time, because weather these days is very confused. So if you are new here, don't forget to follow our page as well as our Facebook page and to our returning viewers. Hello! So welcome back. You guys are the real MVPs for today's video. So comment down below where you are watching from so I might give you a shout out. Okay, thank you. Okay, so today we're talking about something very important. Something that can save your outfit, your hair, and honestly, your whole mood. So yes, we're talking about umbrella. So it is kind of big or long, and it has, as you observe, it has a sling right here. So we will showcase it later more. So we will showcase it more later. Okay. So first let us share to you the background of our business so that you won't be able to be confused if we are reliable or credible sellers or our store. So quick story about our brand. Actually, we started because we are tired. Like, really tired of some umbrellas that break after one strong wind. And you know the type? One gust and suddenly your umbrella becomes a satellite dish. You know what is satellite dish? So we said, no, not anymore. Our goal is simple. Create products that are strong, reliable, and actually worth your money. So we test our umbrellas like they're entering a competition. Wind, rain, attitude, everything. And that's why this product became one of our best sellers. Okay, so now listen carefully, everybody, our solid viewers and buyers. Listen carefully, because this is where it gets exciting. So for today's live only, we have a limited time discount, 30% discount, and a special bundle deals. And yes, freebies for early buyers. So this is our freebies. We have a phone stand. So if you are going to buy 2 or more umbrella, you will receive a freebie, a phone stand. But this is actually not, this is not actually the highlight of this TikTok live selling, because this is the most awaited umbrella of the Filipinos and every people around the world. You know, guys, but here's one thing, once this live ends, so does the promo. The promo will be gone or disappeared, like your umbrella when someone borrows it. So if you were been thinking about getting one, this is your moment, everyone. So, alright, so now let's talk about this amazing umbrella. So are you excited? Oh, Mr. Kinaanman is ready to add to cart. So don't hesitate to add to cart or buy now this product. But before that, for you not to be able to hesitate to buy our most awaited product, let us talk about this amazing umbrellas, including its features. And also, Mr. Alibambang, you're asking about the features. Okay, so the features of this umbrella is it is super strong frame, because this is not your weak umbrella. This one fights back. So if you are going to open it and you are going to use it during the rainy and wind and sunny days, it fights back like the strong women around the world. And even if the wind says, I'm gonna flip you, this umbrella says, try me. And guys, rate this test from 1 to 10, Okay, I'm gonna shake it like there's a storm. Okay, are you ready? But before that, let me open it to you. So we have its bag here. It's bag with its sling. So this is the bag that we are going to use when we are not gonna use the umbrella. So let's put it here. And this is the inside or the actual look of the umbrella. Okay, so now let's open it for you to really be convinced how beautiful and strong it is. So now let's try to open. Also guys, it has a button here, so you're not going to pull it like that or push it like that with your 100% effort, because it has already a button. So you are going to click it like that lang, and then that's it. It will open. So we have different colors, Mr. Lumbay. We have blue, black, pink, yellow, and red. Yes, this is how it looks. So it's kind of big, and if you are 5 in your family, you can actually use it. You can actually use only one, because it is suitable for 1 to 5 people. Okay, so I'm going to don't forget to rate this test from 1 to 10 because I'm going to shake it like there's a storm. Okay, are you ready? So comment if you are ready to witness the awakening, discovery of or invention of this umbrella. Okay, so now you're ready. I-showcase mo na. I-shake mo na. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to shake it. That's it, diba? As you can see, nothing happened. But if I'm going to put my 100% effort and energy to shake it, let's see if it will going to be a ruined or weak umbrella. Okay, so now shake. Nothing happened, guys. So as you can see, and did you see that? Hindi siya bumigay. So comment strong if you are impressed, guys. So I'm going to repeat it for you to be convinced. Okay. So comment strong if you're convinced or impressed. And actually, guys, you can wear it or carry it like this. Like this, and like that. So you have to, you can also continue to make your pose with this big and fashionable umbrella. So don't worry, this umbrella will protect your outfit, guys, and not destroy it. So we don't do fashion disasters here. Waterproof ba yan? Yes, Mr. Hakilmak, yes, it is waterproof. It has a waterproof fabric and it doesn't stay here. It slides off like it has a commitment issues. Oy, grabe naman. So, foldable ba yan? Yes, Mr. Hakilmak. So, as you can see, you can fold it like this. Like easy. It only took seconds to fold it. Lightweight ba yan? Yes, it is lightweight but durable. Strong but not heavy. Like emotionally stable people. Rare but beautiful. Okay? Wow, may pa-drama ka, Miss Sabalia. Yes! And also, guys, it has stylish colors. So, as what I've said earlier, we have different colors like the blue or black, pink, orange, and red. So, because protection should also look good, and then our umbrella has a smooth opening, no struggle. Hindi ka mapapahiya in public. Yes! Even if the wind is acting like it drank 10 energy drinks, this umbrella stays loyal. Hindi ka iiwan. So rain hits this umbrella and just slides off like it doesn't belong here. Even water, guys, knows it's not welcome. So the benefits of this umbrella, it keeps you dry and protected and saves you from being cheap umbrellas again and again. It saves you from buying cheap umbrellas again and again. And also it is easy to carry anywhere, reliable in crazy weather. And this is not actually just an umbrella, guys. This is your weather bodyguard. So always remember that. Okay, alright. Okay, so alright, guys, let's talk. Okay, comment mine if you want one, or just click the yellow basket on the screen so you can choose different kind of colors. So which color do you like, Mr. Cadilinia? Okay, comment down below. Oh, I see a lot of comments. I see a lot of mine already, so you guys are really fast. Now, if you are still thinking, let me remind you, this is limited stocks. This is limited, and discount ends after the live, so you have to be fast. Okay, freebies for early buyers also. So don't wait until you're outside. It starts raining and you're using a plastic bag as a hat. We've all been there. So you have to buy this umbrella. Always be prepared, be smart, and be dry, everyone. So tap the link now or comment mine before it's too late. Okay, so a lot of you, oh my God, we've reached 100K 100 sold. So thank you so much everyone for watching and buying this product. So don't forget to follow us for more details and see you in our next live. Bye everyone!